Sanya nyame anka wa hwe Kumasi ni Accra kwan anka de bia Abotchi betime twa akwa aba na anu adada me hwe Facebook video bi a hwe but ofato so ne hwe but e tefo mu tie yen se si ado munko e Facebook wo da munko hwe de e koso wo ho wa hwe de e koso wo kwan we say Accra Kumasi road taxi driver that's a private car or you overtaking no one say sharp pick up e wo careful mo e was so timi ko overtaking wo wonim say akwansia dodo a esi wo eyeye mamu ha sabra me no boka say statistics about be dampan e kire say for the first half of year 2025 nipa dodo mu wu ye 1500 nipa 1500 One with them go Facebook was here. Me ba told here, but more than SOMPA 106.5 Accra. Kona overtaking beer, drive the be in a curve.
In a London say a curve one.
Yeah, wash in a curve. And take a pick up no war banner. Sanka do so nyan sakakra. Ananyame amwol enwura amanan twe ne ho anko baby a. Ankanya kwinsia. No, our drivers have been reckless on the road.
A long vehicle.
A long vehicle. Our drivers have been reckless on that road. Our drivers have been reckless. You know, driver for more Ghana, homo moyen.
I see a traces our car number.
Cars, no, they can easily trace those cars. Here, the number they go. They can trace it and deal with the driver. By 3 or 4 days on that stretch of road, then they see it.
Pick up near fast on
that stretch of road. Akwensensi bio. Day in and day out. Accra Kumasi road. Akwensensi was so. Our governments over the years have been irresponsible for the construction of the Accra Kumasi, that major road. They have been irresponsible. But that notwithstanding, no, it behoves on us as as drivers, no. I was using your common sense whilst driving. But who say in Chemu Ababeto just say, baby, a quany ye pard. I want to accidents to do on the tesi.
Now we just
so why are drivers behaving this way? Because 90% of accidents are it's as a result of bad driving.
Jesus.
Bad driving. Poor maintenance of our cars. And also you can and of course Ubisa.
A sound to cry a careful.
Ubisa
the long vehicle.
Long vehicle. Now careful. 10 ben I'll be to me fast after home.
Oh right.
A radi and we mobo. And there is one issue here, and also air cropping up at the fuel stations.
That's
I'm
research
research fuel no. Fuel now be so I got 200 cedis but
200 amount.
They 200. It just the obenya ground Ghana Standards Authority for yedi mandate as someone say woman no here I was some question no more say I have the various fuel stations just pumps ask me whether they do those things. Do they check fuel now get to the ground quality it is saying fango now you be the you bugu your care maybe some quality no it is saying
the engine say
say quality it is saying sometimes you go fuel station crowd walk to fuel crowd nipa no babebu fuel ama on the crowd as a some attitude be maybe na medicine abayo bi fa utia abayo we are there so utia
metian rough me bejira ho me to fuel a chese say no of the 2 phones on no be
no be chat chese there who ye no crowd won
chat we answer no go
on with him
and I'm serious
on with him. And fuel ni be some ebedi kaka
ya employ say be gina ha na beton ade na
challenge say o man na team no jack sometimes cry no aya na ye me ya but hana nyame hye say yen wo me better
in as much as you are trying to be patriotic and then go for the ma bufu keke prophet na make I know
no we have a problem in this
country. Ghana kudum so when nya botre na do akuma nyine ha di o man na chia
no but me di makuma be di akire because at the end of the day no Yakoshia. We talk of the national pledge. We talk of the national anthem. Yenara yasasini eyabo dende asasi we eyabo dende mayin. Yena asasi we ayete so as Ghana no abo dende mayin.
Obia penny bottom. Obia and this young people.
Obia penny bottom. So why we
not in a bush for? Yet, my phone at Tim, the young see a bed deal, see a bed down, young
Patrick, sometimes
one wants a cholera, a time for that voter,
OT region,
just because they don't have toilet facilities.
Open baby, no, baby, not just say, or you baby, now once an aqua so. Once
basic social
maybe once an aqua you cry. A almost and the grass and cover the protected. That was to the China typhoid. Yenny animal may be a woman ye diane or quahoma yet. A diano tomatoes are prodding about pro. I don't know who you saw. A bad day they could toss a dianidia, young yare. No, Ghana, we will have to start changing our mindset.
We need a renewal of minds.
And where is it going to start? Ochechenia, Tio, Patrick, Ochechenia. Yakachen is a friend a classroom coachradia. Some of these things I'll be commenting on. Or no, could do classroom wa. Not or your politics. Our classroom. Acheche for the Pia.
It's almost politics in
they've infused it into our schools.
I am trying to see institution in Ghana here. Politics in good realm. I am trying. And
say, Ghana, be at me in school. School now. But they are buying CC. Black boy, whiteboard. No, I am Basa. Why are we doing this to ourselves as a country? Are we patriotic? Why are we doing this to ourselves as a country?
Government schools in Binakoshe. And
new patriotic party, almost filing nominations. Fan first, Ninyama because what is Kamu say no? Says Kano, and to mean quality classroom block and farmer a community be. Why are we doing this to ourselves as a country? Ghana, dear, I just don't know why. I am Rahosam. Obianya, Obason Kwan in a bushini. Odon in a bushini. Family and friends affairs. So why are we doing this to ourselves? Sometimes when I walk around and I think say be a Ghanaian, na me di yaw e wo makume.
Ana say minsu.
Na me di yaw e wo makume. Odro bani a wo awunim say utimi lodi uka. Every year your friend is say Domi ha. Now they call a year Accra. Your price from Domi to Accra was oje. And so driver you know obefa Domi to Achimota old station. Udu wa no asafa. Mo say chiaka now we could do cycle. Who do cycle? How to carry more? I say chiaka. What you 3 times?
Meanwhile, you could have gone straight.
And nobody, the GPRTU and the other driver unions, nobody is talking about this.
Monsieur, my way is a bedroom.
Obianka, nobody is talking good about this. Why are we doing this to ourselves? As our mind.
Mr. Prof, man, too quiet, crank, and you may be saying, Mr. Ko Dubai, only say Dubai or train.
Yeah.
Train now often. You're chewing gum womb.
You're chungo.
Oh, no.
What's your chungo? Chungo,
Henry. You can't chew gum in Dubai train.
And Susugana, ha? Wakakofa a yakano. Na or baby to win somebody.
That's all about the crown on Wario. Or prayer camp ko bompa say radima na ware
na ultimate o ka ba na sabio some meninti my kwa ma no so sesi ana me ndi ko Abotchie'S ku eti say